look inside of this laptop. Now, obviously this is only the unboxing and first impressions video. There will be a dedicated review coming very, very soon. We will also be putting up against my last year's Razer Blade 15 and the 17 to show you the differences. So make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and those videos will be out very soon. So enough of the waffling, let's open it up. To open up the first box, we are greeted with a heavy power supply. We'll look at that in a second. And the actual Razer Blade 16 box itself does feel quite weighty for a 16-inch laptop. Let's get the power supply out. Our power cord. And here is the new 330 watt GAN charger. It looks very similar in size to last year's models. So let's get inside the actual laptop itself. As usual, wrapped in plastic. It does feel quite nice and thick. We've also got a little booklet in here. Take a very quick look. Thank you for choosing a Razer system. Thank you for selling a kidney. Then we've also got a little message from Min Liang Tan. And how to change the drivers to studio drivers. Microfiber cloth to keep it clean, because you know it's a fingerprint magnet. The legendary Razer stickers, I know you're going to want those. And our Blade 16 booklet to get you started. Okay, so the laptop. Very easy to get into, that's nice. It's really quite hefty. Certainly feels a lot heftier than last year's 15. If I just quickly put them side by side, you can see straight away how much thicker this model is. Still easily handleable, it's only about 2.5 kilograms, so it's still not a heavy laptop by any means, but it is heavier and thicker than the 2022 model it's replacing. Obviously it's got a bigger screen as well. So ports wise, same as last year's Blade 16, we've got the actual power jack, 2 USB-A ports, a Thunderbolt 4 port, and an actual 3.5mm headset jack. If I spin it to the other side, we've got a Kensington lock, an HDMI 2.1, another USB-A, another Thunderbolt 4 port, and a full-size SD card slot, which being a content creator, that for me is an absolute winner. I absolutely love that being here on a gaming laptop. So let's open it up. So we've got a little screen protector, and then we're greeted by that beautiful, very large Razer Blade